Okay, so today I'm going to show you a quick one, how to search uh, Slack. Now I'm going to be triggering that from Slack, but I could trigger it from anywhere. And the power of that is the ability to query what you have in Slack, which can be huge. And maybe then when we get the results back, we push that into a vector store or some other data store or cache. And we could also use that to build up our context for a prompt against a large language model. But let's start off. To make it easy for myself, you got to put the word search in there. Obviously, there's a search built into Slack already. This I'm using the REST API through an app to do it. But let's ask a query. What is Apache NiFi used for with Apache Kafka? See how good that query is. Now let's go into our NiFi flow. We have that in our search Slack here. I've got a general receiver for all Slack messages. If I want to get it in a different way, I could just pull it here. You know, if I want to pull in every Kafka message from another topic and use that one to call Slack, I could do it. You got to set authorization from your app using your user. So I'm going to pass in that search term, make sure it's Erlang coded. Give me back as many results as you can. And here we get some results back. I want to pull out the top level fields. Then I'm splitting this out. There could be a lot of blocks of Slack message it returns. And then split it out into elements, as each block can have a lot of elements. Break that down into one. Pass that through. And here I'm going to do a query. Sometimes he'll give me back links. I don't know what to do with links yet. I got to think about it. Maybe I could retrieve each one. I don't know. That's beyond the scope here, but we'll figure that out as scope creep comes up upon us. And then I'm grabbing everyone where it's the type of text. And make sure the text isn't minuscule. And I just want to get 3 back from now. Oh, okay. And then I'm going to publish it to Slack. Same Slack channel you came on. I give you the results and all the fields they gave me. Put it in the same whoever called it. Also push this to Kafka so someone like Flink or Spark or someone else could read it and use that somewhere else. Maybe we'll stream that into Iceberg. I don't know. Send it into Pinecone. There was a lot of results here. These were waiting for me here. So what is... Oh, it found it from a previous post, and we can see here it's linking to some of my articles. It's pretty cool. It tells you what NiFi is. We also, in some of these results, will also probably have our direct call to our LLM, because I haven't taken this data and build it up into a context as part of a retrieval automated call yet. I haven't done my augmentation yet, but we'll do that next. But pretty cool. So we could do searches. It's pretty straightforward here. I got to take a look at some failures, see if we're getting some bad data. But thanks.